Hello, everyone. Welcome to Maximizing Mondays. Love. Love is a beautiful feeling that we all have experienced in some or the other way. We've seen different colors of love in our life and experienced those beautiful colors. Love between a mother and her child, love between a father and a daughter, love between siblings, between friends, partners, and spouses. Have you seen love between you and yourself? Have you experienced that love for yourself? I will leave you with that feeling and that question. So, welcome back to my channel on Self Series. I am Dr. Reshma, the catalyst, as I like to call myself. Today, we will be talking about self love, the power of self love. So, what is self love? Self love is about appreciating yourself the way you are. It is about putting yourself, your well being, and your happiness in the forefront. It is about giving that acknowledgement to yourself, that love to yourself. Some of you may feel self love is selfish, but no, my friends, self love is not selfish. Self love is just about not compromising on anything that you don't deserve. I used to feel at times that I love myself a lot. I am my own favorite. I just love everything about myself. Like the movie Geet. Jab We Met, Geet in that movie. I used to feel something like that. But then I realized no, I wasn't loving myself enough because I would compromise on my needs, my dreams, my desires for people in my life. I would keep my needs, likes, dislikes, my desires, my dreams always in the end and keep needs of others in my life in the forefront. At times, I would also feel guilty for spending money on myself. That was the limit. But yes, I did that. And then I realized I wasn't being fair to myself. I wasn't being true to myself. I wasn't loving myself enough. If I wanted love from others, I needed to love myself first. So I then began to start loving myself. It wasn't easy in the beginning, but later I developed that habit of loving myself. There are three major aspects of self love that one needs to keep in mind: self acceptance. First, accepting yourself the way you are, the way with your good, bad, and the ugly, whatever it is, just accept it. That's the first step towards self love. Prioritizing yourself, keeping yourself in the forefront. So, in that, I learned to say no to people because I had certain things. I would just not be able to say no to people. I learned to say no to my loved ones, to my dear ones. That was about being true to myself. The second most important step is self compassion. Being compassionate to yourself. We are compassionate to everybody in the world. We see a beggar, we are compassionate, we want to give money or help people. But are we compassionate to ourselves? That is something we need to remember. And so be compassionate. Don't judge yourself. There are people around to judge you enough. So don't judge yourself. Be good to yourself. The third important thing is self care, caring about yourself, drawing health boundaries for yourself, caring about your needs, what you want. So, self care is an important component. So, these three components helped me in my journey of self love, and I'm sure they'll help you too in your journey of self love. Self esteem is a very important part in the Cell series, which we will be discussing in the next video. So, stay tuned to hear more from me. Please shower your love and encouragement by subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting on my videos. Do let me know what you liked about my video, and also let me know if you try some of these tips. How did you feel and how did it help you? So, do write to me. Stay tuned to my channel. Signing off for now, and see you on Transformational Thursdays. Till then, love and peace to you all. Bye.